Hello, Acers, and welcome to another No Limits contest. This year, we will really be focusing on your home park. You love your home park. You have so many wonderful, priceless memories there. But there's probably something extra that the park could do to become even better. Of course, it should be a roller coaster. But what kind? Should it replace an older ride? Upgrade an older ride? Add on to an older ride? That's entirely up to you. Your challenge is to design the coaster that your home park should install. This can be an all new coaster or a change to an existing coaster. More track added, changed, reimagined, or an RMC conversion. Most important, be sure to include something that makes it obvious what your home park is. This could be other key rides, or taking a distinctive, well-known ride and making changes that are clearly paying homage to the original. Design and build the coaster you want to see in your home park. Either an all-new design or a substantial modification slash reimagining of an existing ride. Your park should include something that makes it obvious what park you're in. Something iconic not found in other parks. If you are reimagining a ride, be sure your new ride somehow maintains the spirit of the original to be recognizable. Submit the link to download your completed No Limits 2 park or No Limits 2 package file without a password. The contest team will create POVs of your finished coaster and post it to YouTube. Entries due by 11:59 p.m. Pacific Time, Monday, February 21st, 2022. Submit your finished entries by filling out the form in the description below. All videos will be added to a voting form distributed to active ACE members. Videos will be rated on a scale from 1 to 10, with judges rating the quality of the new ride experience and how well it fits the established park. For example, an RMC conversion of Kingdom Coaster to a 250-foot tall, multi-inverting monster would not make sense for Dutch Wonderland, but adding 1,500 more feet of track to Full Throttle at Six Flags Magic Mountain would make sense. Highest average score wins. Good luck and have fun!